In a world filled with modern and trendy superfoods, we often overlook the true nutritional powerhouses that have been feeding humanity for centuries. Today, we take you on a journey to discover the hidden gem of our ancient diet, millets. Millets are a diverse group of small-seeded grasses that are packed with incredible nutritional benefits. Low in gluten, perfect for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. High in fiber, aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Rich in protein, essential for muscle development and overall health. Abundance of micronutrients, loaded with vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and more. Health benefits. The consumption of millets has a direct impact on our health, promoting well-being in numerous ways. Diabetes management. Millets have a low glycemic index, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Heart health. Their high fiber content aids in reducing cholesterol levels. Weight management. The satiating effect of millets helps control appetite and assists in weight loss. Cultural and environmental significance. Millets not only benefit our health but also carry immense cultural and environmental significance. Traditional heritage. Millets have been a staple food for various cultures, fostering a strong connection to our roots. Climate resilient crop. Millets require less water and are adaptable to diverse climatic conditions, making them environmentally sustainable. Empowering farmers. Cultivating millets can be economically beneficial for small-scale farmers, promoting agricultural diversity. It's time to embrace the wisdom of our ancestors and incorporate millets into our diets. Whether it's in savory dishes like upma and pulao or sweet treats like millet cookies, the options are endless. Next time you are at the grocery store, look for these tiny powerhouses and start reaping the numerous health benefits while preserving our rich cultural heritage and protecting the environment. So, let's join hands in promoting the goodness of millets for a healthier, sustainable, and happier future.